This is an instructional video on how to install the HTML editor Notepad++. The simplest way to start is to go to google.com and search for Notepad++. From here you will click the first link, which takes you to notepad-plus.sourceforge.net. From the Notepad++ main page, select Download near the top. On the download page, select the first item from the list, Binary Files. This will open up more information. Go to the bottom and click Download Notepad++ Executable Files. This will open up a new tab in your browser. From here, you will click the Download Now green box. The download will automatically start after a few seconds. Click Save File. This will bring up the Downloads window, and when the installer is finished, double-click on it. If you are prompted to open the executable file, click OK. And if you are prompted with a security warning, click Run. Select a language and click OK. This is the introductory page. Click Next. Click I agree to the license agreement. Select where to save Notepad++ and click Next. And finally, click Install. The installation process should take no longer than a few seconds. And when it's done, you can select whether or not to run Notepad++ immediately and click Finish. Now, as you can see, Notepad++ is installed on the machine, and there's a shortcut for it on the desktop. If you want to know more about Notepad++, refer to the next video, Getting Started with Notepad++.